Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy subscription in multiple platforms for a cheaper price. So all you need to do is open your browser and then search for oxam.com. This is a platform that sells subscription for multiple platforms for cheaper price. So as you can see here, we have AI pack, entertainment pack, learning pack, combo yearly for all 19 services is only for $25. So all you need to do is press on this and then you will be redirected to a Stripe link where you can pay the amount, or you can just send them here and just send them proof of payment on Telegram. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.